Now, from your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
A wave of strong storms skirted across southern portions of the tri-state early this afternoon. Fortunately, no storm damage to report with those cells. And now the next wave set to develop during the pre-dawn hours overnight. Highs today, not bad, 85 to 90, but it was very humid. And we're going to be a touch warmer tomorrow, depending on how quickly the clouds break up across the area, as that very humid air is going to stay in place until the main front comes through on Thursday night. Flood watch also overnight until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning for all of western Kentucky. You've already had some heavy rain down there and potentially much heavier rain overnight, especially as you head southwest down towards the trade water. It's quiet right now on Live First Warning Doppler. We've had a few spotty showers along and north of I-64 this evening, but these showers and thunderstorms overnight will actually develop just over here to our west and then drift to the east-northeast and come right up to the Evansville doorstep. But all the latest guidance continues to indicate that these may stay just south and west of the city of Evansville, kind of like what happened today. You can see the rain with the storms that skirted our southern counties. We had a cluster develop in Henderson and then move right along the Ohio River, and then another one that came across our northern counties during the afternoon hours. There was also a little damage reported with those up in the Birdseye area, but you can see Evansville missed out on the rain. The jackpot today, very close to where it was yesterday, which was northeastern Ohio County. Today, southeastern Hancock County, just up the road between Victoria Crossroads and Cabot. Our system estimating 2.8 inches of rainfall. You can kind of see the clouds coming and going along the Evansville riverfront today as the storms passed off to our south, but not a drop of rain downtown, and we may not get any rain overnight. It's going to be a really close call with this next batch that is setting up. The temperature right now at the top of the hour, 75, very humid dew point of 71 with a south-southwest wind at 7. Low to mid-70s. We're going to wind up around 70 degrees as we head through the overnight hours. So a boundary is sitting over here to our southwest, and as upper-level energy increases overnight, it hits that boundary, and we see new storms develop. Look at this wave. That's what we dealt with earlier today. It finally weakened all the way down in northern Alabama and North Georgia, so it's not the same scenario overnight. These storms are going to be developing out here to our west, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center has the highest threat for severe weather west of the tri-state, that slight level 2 threat coming up to about the trade water there. The marginal risk west of a line from Wayne City to Carmi, Mount Vernon, Seabury, and then down to about to Slaughters and Greenville in Muhlenberg County. Here's how the threats break down. Not worried about tornadoes, a little bit of damaging wind a possibility, but it's the large hail, that secondary 15% threat with that slight risk as you head down towards the Sturgis to Dawson Springs corridor. Now things settle down tomorrow afternoon, just a marginal level 1 threat south of I-64, and then another marginal threat area-wide on Thursday as a couple more rounds move on through. All right, here's an updated future tracker. 11 p.m. it's quiet, but by 4 a.m. look at all these storms coming into our southwestern counties. Our model gets them as close as Henderson and Mount Vernon, and then everything kind of dives to the southeast by 6 a.m., continues to diminish by 8 tomorrow morning, and then things get much quieter heading into tomorrow afternoon, which will be a very humid afternoon. Again, upper 80s to low 90s across the area. A few thunderstorms possible tomorrow night, and then more waves coming through on Thursday with that isolated severe storm risk. This is the noon hour on Thursday. Another wave in the afternoon. Then we finally break out of the pattern Thursday night into Friday morning as the cold front pushes on through, ending the severe weather threats and opening up the door for less humid air. But overnight, scattered storms developing mainly just south and west of Evansville. Heavy rain, large hail, the concern, 70 to 72. Those storms diminish tomorrow with some clearing as we head into the afternoon. Very humid highs, upper 80s to low 90s. More scattered storms on Thursday, possibly severe, but the humidity drops with the rain chances on Friday, and still a beautiful weekend to look forward to. Partly to mostly sunny skies, less humid. Morning lows in the low 60s, afternoon highs in the mid to upper 80s.
All right, that does look good. Thank you, Wayne. Still ahead.